Hello VIPs, this is Kiki from First Class Living, and I am here with a CVS and PayPal deal. I'm here at First Class Living. You are a VIP, which stands for very important person. So if you are new here, I just want to say welcome, and if you are returning, welcome back. I'm so glad that you clicked on this video. So PayPal is offering us a $10 reward when we use the PayPal app and have the cashier scan the QR code. Now, I'm not sure if this deal is expiring on Saturday, December 12th, or if we have until the end of the month of December. On Facebook, there was an ad that said it was ending on the 12th, and then if you go to the PayPal website, it's stating that it is ending on the 31st. So I'm not sure. I will leave the link to PayPal in the description box, and you can kind of do some research to see if this offer is in fact extending to the end of the month, which it kind of looks like it is. A lot of people I saw online was saying that they received an email from PayPal about this promotion. I did not receive that email, but I took a chance on doing the promotion, the deal anyway, and it worked out in my favor. So looking at the qualifications for the deal, you do not have to receive an email of some sorts. All you really have to do is go to a standalone CVS. Make sure that you have a PayPal account. It could be personal or business. And also make sure that you are 18 years of age and older. And that is pretty much it. There are a couple of items that you are not allowed to purchase, and you can read more on that through the link in the description box. I decided to put together a deal that was giving back extra care bucks and fetch reward points, and my body washes. They are not giving me back extra care bucks, but getting that $10 reward will more than make up for that. So let's get started, and I'll show you my food and body wash scenario. Right now, CVS has two food promotions going on this week. The first one is on snack foods. It is spend 10, get back a $5 extra care buck. And the second one is a grocery deal. It is spend 12, get back a $4 extra care buck. So I'm going to be combining these two deals with some body washes that I have great CRTs and coupons for, and also I'll be getting back fetch reward points for. First, I'm picking up the Chex Mix. It is 99 cents this week, and I'm picking up two of them. Select family size General Mills cereals are $2.99 each, and I'm picking up two of them and using a $1 off of two coupon. We also have a Fetch Rewards offer for 750 points. Next, I'm picking up two boxes of the Mott's fruit snacks at $1.99 each. All 6 items will total me $11.94. Moving on to the snack deal, I'm grabbing one of the king size Oreos at $1.79. 3 of the Chips Ahoy Minis at $1.69 each. 2 of the Ritz Bits bags at $1.49 each. All 6 items will total me $9.84. Next, I'm getting a 64-ounce Gold Emblem juice. Instead of the lemonade, I'm deciding to get an apple juice that's on sale for $2.89 this week. And I have $2 off CRTs to use on them. Now I'm going to get my body washes. The first one is the Love Beauty and Planet body wash for $9.79. I ended up getting the one in the blue bottle because the CRTs that I have, they won't attach to the shea butter one. So I have a $2.50 CRT, a $3 CRT, and a $2 digital, plus $2 on Fetch Rewards, making the Love Beauty and Planet body wash just 29 cents. Axe body washes are $5.79 each at my store. I'm getting 2 of them using a BOGO coupon, which took off $5.99 at the register. I also have a $3 off of 2 CRT, and I'll get back $3 from Fetch Rewards. So that'll make both body washes free and a 41-cent moneymaker. Suave body wash is buy one get one half off this week. I have 2 of the dollar off insert coupons, so I'm picking up 2 of them. One will be $2.19 and the other one will be $1.09. I also have a $2 off of 2 Suave body wash CRT, and Fetch Rewards is giving back 75 cents each. So that makes both body washes free and a $1.50 moneymaker. Here is a final look at my items for the spend 12 get a $4 extra care buck deal. These items total me $11.94 plus the $2.89 for the apple juice. I'll be using a $1 off of 2 for the cereal, $2 CRTs for the 64-ounce juice, and the dollar Chex Mix CRT didn't scan. It's for the smaller bags, and I have a 5 off of 25 food CRT. So I'm going to be combining this deal with the snack deal, and this is a final look at all of the items in my spend 10 get back a $5 extra care buck deal. These items total me $9.84. I don't have any coupons or extra care bucks for these items aside from the 5 off of 25 food CRT. So after coupons, both deals will cost me $16.66. And I'll get back the $9 extra care buck and 750 Fetch Rewards points for the cereal. Then I have the 5 body washes totaling me $24.65. I have $19.77 in coupons and CRTs, so that'll bring the total down to just $4.88. I'll be getting back $6.50 from Fetch Rewards, making it free and a moneymaker. I ended up adding the Epic bar to my basket on the way to check out just to make sure that I'm still at $20. Because I remember that sometimes the dollar off of 2 cereal digital will come off even if you're using a paper coupon, and I did not want to be under $20. So let's check out in 3 easy steps. Step 1, let the cashier know you'll be paying with PayPal, and then open your PayPal app on your phone. Step 2, have the cashier choose other payments and then choose digital payments on the cash register. Then have them scan your QR code on the PayPal app. Make sure to keep your phone open after the cashier scans the code. Step 3, after the cashier scans the QR code, complete the transaction on your phone, and that's it. You're done. You should receive an email shortly after you check out. Alright, I am out of CVS, And I just completed my PayPal transaction of spend 20, get back 10. So I did get back the $5 extra care buck for the snacks and the $4 extra care bucks for the grocery items as expected. Also received $7.42 in Fetch reward points. To my surprise, the Epic Bar is a Fetch Rewards brand. And here is the email for the $10 PayPal reward. This was an amazing transaction. I hope that this was helpful, and I hope that you have an amazing rest of your day. Bye, guys.